everybody, this next video now is looking at making the base plate to mount the Fusion project. So what we're going to use today is a hot wire strip heater, and what we have to do is we use the laser cutter to etch out your names onto your base plate, cut out your little platform, and then coming along here what we're going to do is set up the hot wire strip heater. And how we do that is we adjust the depth of the heating wires here, putting them close together, and then we lowered it down to match the thickness of that plate. That's a 3mm thick acrylic, and we lower that down to suit just the 3mm on both sides. And then we adjust here to 190 and 190 on the slides, and then we slide in our platform and heat for 1 minute 45 seconds. So as it's heating for 1 minute 45, I'm doing this video, I'm just going to do a short, you can speed up the process what actually happens. You remove your plate out, hold it on to the block at 30mm, and then bend out over the line like so. So that can be done over the edge of the table or simply holding your hand. It will be warm, it'll be warm, and you will not be afraid that you will get burned. It will only be lukewarm. So you hold it like so. And when that's done, the first stage, we're then going to readjust and heat the opposite side. So we need to readjust scale now to 160. And then we're going to now repeat the process, popping it in again and heating this for again 1 minute 45. Popping it in, holding it back against the roof, and then heating for 1 minute 45 using a stopwatch or your phone. That's heated up. Move out again, and again you're getting the same process. Then you're heating and bending it down and over the aluminium block, and then that will give you a last bend, last fold, like so. So that's the basic step process. It's quite quick. In less than 5 minutes you have this job done. Okay, thank you very much.